right, so let us take a look at today's quick examples. Show all work to solve the equation. So we have a -1 minus a fraction 3a minus 1 over 4 is equal to 2a minus 5 over 6. The first thing that we're going to identify are all of the denominators. So I'm going to change this -1 to have a denominator as well. So I have 3 denominators there. I am going to identify the lowest common denominator for the 4 and 6. So the lowest common denominator is 12. What do we do with that 12? We multiply each term by 12. So I'm going to do that. All right, so here my LCD again is 12. I multiplied the first term by 12, the second term by 12, and also anything on the other side of the equal sign by 12. At this point, what this lets us do is eliminate our denominators. So 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. So the first thing I have is 12 times -1. Over here we got 12 divided by 4 is 3, so I can cross cancel. And I'm left with -3 times 3a minus 1 equals, over here 12 divided by 6, I can cross cancel as well. 12 divided by 6 is 2, so I'm left with 2 times that binomial. So we end up using the LCD so we don't have any fractions, making this a normal solve for A type of problem. So I'm going to solve for A by applying distribution, combining like terms, and getting my A value. All right, so as I distributed, combined my like terms, solved for A, I got A to equal 1 over 13 as my final answer. Now pay attention to the notation that they want. If we want set notation, your answer would be the curly brace, 1 over 13 curly brace, right? So pay attention to that. For B, we have our denominators of 7x, x, and 7. So we have 3 denominators we have to look at closely so we can find the LCD. The LCD for this problem would be 7x. Why? Because that first denominator has the 7 and the x. The second denominator is missing the 7 but does have the x. And the third denominator that I have of a 7 is missing the x. So I can put 7x together, which is going to help me eliminate all those denominators. So what do we do with the LCD? We multiply each and every term by the LCD. So I'm going to set myself up. All right, so again, my LCD was 7x. I multiplied every single term by that 7x. The awesome thing here is that a lot of things are going to cancel out. So the first thing I see is the 7x here. I can cross cancel with the 7x in the denominator. The second term, I can only cancel the x because that's what's in the denominator. And my last one, I can only cancel the 7, so that is what I'm canceling. So what is left behind? I have a 2x plus 8 minus 7 times x plus 2 equals to x times -8. So again, I am going to distribute, combine like terms, move, and solve for x. And after distributing combined like terms, solving for x, isolating x, I get a value of x is equal to positive 2. Again, if they ask me for set notation, my answer would be as such. So LCD method makes your complex looking equations a lot more simple to work with. All right, I will see you in our next video.